Vikan has been in business for more than 100 years. The company is based in Skive, in Jutland, on the banks of the Limfjord. Here, we manufacture a full range of professional cleaning equipment. But Vikan also has factories in Sweden and Estonia, not to mention sales offices in England, France, Germany and Sweden. For generations, Vikan has supplied quality industrial cleaning equipment. We have 4 core business areas. Vikan Hygiene System for the food industry, Vikan Transport System for the transport sector, Vikan NitoClean for cleaning companies, and Vikan for trade, industry and agriculture. For many years, Vikan Hygiene System has been the preferred choice of the food industry. Until quite recently, Vikan Hygiene System consisted of manual cleaning tools and implements such as brushes, brooms, squeegees, shovels and handles. Customers use these implements in the food production process and to clean food production facilities. A few years ago, the Nito company became a part of the Vikan family. This latest addition to the family means that our product range has been expanded to include equipment for the mixing and application of chemicals in small areas. As a result, today Vikan has become a full-line cleaning supplier to the food industry. The fact that we are now able to call ourselves market leaders is a direct result of our policy of investing considerable resources in the development of new cleaning equipment. The common thread in product development is that efficient cleaning methods must go hand in hand with optimal ergonomics and functionality. Efficient production and high quality are par for the course. At Vikan, quality and efficiency are ensured through extensive use of CNC machinery and robots. Not many companies can celebrate their 100-year jubilee. This achievement has only been possible because of our determined efforts to change with the times. We have always been able to produce the finest cleaning implements. And we can promise that things will only improve in the future. We recommend using color-coded products for the food industry. This applies to cleaning implements as well as clothing, knives, cutting boards and other equipment. Color coding is an efficient way of visually identifying different zones and lessens the risk of so-called cross-contamination. The system makes it easy for everyone to see that the cleaning implement is used in the right zone. Vikan Hygiene System also supplies spray guns in different colors. It is entirely up to you whether the color is used to indicate zone or chemical type. You may decide to use the red container for acids, the blue for alkaline agents, the yellow for disinfection agents, and green for neutral or clean water. When you are cleaning production facilities, you begin by removing all waste from tables, equipment and floors. Here, Vikan Hygiene System implements are unquestionably the most efficient. Once waste has been removed, the implements are stored on a wall mounting. There are many reasons for using a wall mounting. Here are just a few. Implement service life is extended. The products dry faster. Wall mountings limit the growth of bacteria. Staff always know where to find the implement. Place the chemicals on tables and equipment. Use a brush to activate the chemical. The floor and walls are foamed down. When cleaning walls, foam buildup is applied from the ground up. The foam lasts longer this way, extending the contact time between chemical and surface. Walls and floors are given the same treatment. Attach the wash pipe to the pistol. The foam is then rinsed off. and tables, walls and floors are scraped dry. Vikan hygiene system implements are fitted with metal couplers. This ensures that they can withstand industrial use, as well as accidents if an implement is dropped on the floor. With Vikan hygiene system products, you're always sure of using the right concentrations. Dosage is namely pre-selected by you. This ensures unnecessary waste of chemicals. And you are also assured a better cleaning result. The combination of chemicals and brushes produces noticeably better results. For this reason, Vikan hygiene system is a more cost-effective and efficient cleaning method. Using this cleaning method, you can be sure that equipment and areas are thoroughly cleaned and ready for production. Loose hair and waste are effectively removed using a Vikan hygiene system floor squeegee. Use a swivel squeegee to easily clean inaccessible areas. It is now time to foam walls and floors. Remove the spray gun from the wall mounting and attach it to the hose. Begin by applying foam to the walls. Start at the bottom and slowly build up the foam. This extends the contact time of the foam on the wall and produces a superior result. Apply foam to the floor. When using chemicals that produce foam, you can always see how much you have done. Walls and floor are scrubbed and rinsed with clean water. Floors are dried using a squeegee. With Vikan hygiene system spray guns, you have a cleaning implement that is almost immediately ready for use. It requires no electrical installation or air pressure. This makes it ideal for use in out-of-the-way bathrooms. You will find a great many other products in our range. Among them we can mention spray equipment, products for dosage of one or more chemicals, several types of squirt pistols, and a great many accessories. For all equipment, it is important to mix correct dosages of chemicals and water. The chemical mix can be sprayed directly onto the surface to be cleaned. It can also be poured into buckets or floor cleaning machinery. Vikan also markets a range of containers for chemical mixes that are exposed to pressure. The container can be used without the need for air pressure. This means you can use it outdoors and in areas where there is no air pressure access. Vikan hygiene system has numerous areas of application. Among them we can mention butcher shops, supermarkets, fishmongers, bakeries, fast food restaurants, sanitary campsite installations, saunas, car washing, disinfection of agriculture vehicles. Spray guns are used in rooms with a maximum floor area of 100 square meters. When using spray guns, the user can clearly see where the chemical has been applied. The contact time between surface and chemical is longer. Spray guns can be used to advantage in bakeries, butcher shops, fishmongers, kitchens, delicatessens and the like, as well as in campsite bathrooms, swimming pools and sports centres. When the product is ready for use, attach the male connector to the tap. If it does not fit straight onto the tap, you can use the attached reduction ring. The hose snaps onto the tap. You will find dosage concentration marked on the side of the chemical container. Choose the color of dosage nozzle that matches the correct concentration. Fit the nozzle to the underside of the injector. If the chemical container instead shows a chemical to water mixing ratio, you can use this formula to determine the nozzle color. Chemical millimeters divided by water millimeters times 100 equals the correct concentration. Fit the suction hose onto the hose connector on top of the nozzle. Pour the chemicals into the container. Screw the injector onto the container. Now, attach the gun to the hose. Mount the spray gun onto the injector connector. Turn on the tap. Begin foam production by pressing down on the trigger. We recommend applying the foam from the ground up. Once you have finished applying the foam, unscrew the container from the spray gun. Container and injector are stored in a safe place. You can now begin manual treatment of the surface.